recording.
Just go to brisbaneairportparking.com.au. Terms and conditions apply.
And these push-in cunts that fucking come up the Milken Lane on the outside.
Dicks. So fucking impatient. So entitled.
2 ambulances? Oh dear. Come on, dipshit. What has gone on here? Oh, he's done it on his own.
Pinball machined himself, has he?
Yep. It's a piece of shit. Oh, and he's literally lunched the fucking...
You dickhead.
You fucking donut.
What the fucking...
Laser Clinics Australia has a new way to get a sculpted body, and it's cool. No, seriously, it's Cool Sculpting, the world's #1 fat reduction technology. Cool Sculpting helps your body eliminate fat cells with targeted, controlled cooling, and once treated, the fat cells are gone for good.
He's got his blinker on already. Probably died on the way up the hill. He's going to chop the line. Chop the line for sure, this guy. Straight across. Yes. Don't worry about that solid line, bitches.
Where's this guy going?
Yeah, this backward. Oh, this is good.
Where the fuck are you going?
Oh, fuck's sake. What the fuck was that?
Oh, what the fuck, cunt? Fucking hell.
Dickhead.
Fucking hell. Oh my god.
Oh, yeah, nice one, cunt.
It's fucking no right turn, you dipshit. Oh my god, girl!
Left onto B83 George Street.
What the fuck? Fuck. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on.
And straight through the red light.
Currently under investigation, and we have residents out at Berrima Crescent, Carrara Crescent, Lumia Drive, and Marakari Crescent.
You're a good man. Appreciate your help.
I guess if you drive a European car, you can do whatever you want.
Senior corporate.
I'm gonna rip your balls off!
There's a red light. There's a red light. Fucking hell, man.
Jumanji? He will send a new one to work today so you guys can watch it over the weekend. The next level, yeah. Marco!
Oh my God. I am never gonna financially recover from this.
Go in and strike it big and be a big time property and be the big time
for that very reason. So it's an important measure of community safety. And the good news is, given unfortunately how slow Rob Lucas
Fuck off!
is being
Fuck off!
the $1 billion of promised stimulus funding, there's plenty of money in the
us. Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
But the proud and arrogant general would rather commit suicide than face a humiliating court martial. Rat finally answered the general.
Fuck you, don't you fucking...
Added Rat quickly. Push me any further, General, and you will be arrested right now, and returned to Manila to face a court-martial. Colonel Barboza will replace you, and with the help of the U.S. Special Forces, he will free the Andersons and rid this island of any and every terrorist connected to Abu Sayyaf. The General scoffed at his adversary's remark.
Emergency video recording stopped.
Incompetent fool. If you want the Andersons back alive, I am the man to do it. Give me $300,000 and I will...
Turning off Wi-Fi.
8 hours.
Because it's genetics. Can't do anything about genetics.
Okay, yeah. Nice, bro.
Idiot. My God, people just walking out the road like, hello. He was in his own world. Oh my God.
Oh, you fuck. Oh, I just got cut off like a fuck. There's an ice addict fucking here. In front of me. Oh, this cunt is a fucking ice addict.
This is classiccoles.com.au/little treehouse. More traffic at 15 minutes with Joe Wilson. Adelaide's Front Breakfast on Mix 102.3.
Oh, fuck me! God! Fucking idiot.
Spend $30 in store or on fuel and get a free Coles The Little Treehouse book. T's and C's apply. See coles.com.au/little treehouse.
Fuck it! Fucking idiot. Fuck me! Oh my God. Fucking jeez, don't even look, why don't ya? That on the bloody dash again.
What the fuck is that shit? He dropped something. I feel like going back.
Did he drop something?
Yeah.
What is it?
Phone.
Is it?
Yep.
Go back.
He's dropped his phone.
Oh, wait, does he know?
Yeah. Dropped his fucking phone.
Fucking idiot.
Yeah. Fucking idiot.
Here, Salvo. Oh. You're just driving all over the place. Another one for Scotties. Another one for Scotties. Why the fuck are we stopped? Jesus. Asshole! Fucking asshole. Really? Rain filtering on your realms, dude. Another one for... Oh, well done! You're such a clever human being.
I had no one but faces in front of me, racing through the void in my head to find
Thanks, Origin Energy.
traces of a good luck academy.